If you make content on YouTube or TikTok or whatever, this is going to be essential. It's a brand new thing. It came out like 2-3 days ago, and I just need to tell you about it. This is my standard window when I'm recording video. OBS captures everything, and that's pretty straightforward. Now, have a look at this. This is my standard Minecraft gameplay overlay type stuff. It's everything you've seen in all of my gaming videos. And then look at this. This is no editing. This is being recorded at the same time as my standard recording. Mind blown. Now, I am capturing all of this in real time thanks to a brand new plugin for OBS called Vertical. It's this little box over here. It's made by Atium.tv. Check out the website, they're amazing. And I think if you know Harris Heller or Senpai Gaming, he invested in the company. This is something he's working on. So OBS would go ahead and capture my usual window over here, but at the same time, I can also be recording, streaming, or using a replay buffer which captures the last 20 seconds, basically instantly makes you a TikTok. I press one button, basically instantly makes you a TikTok. I press one button, voila. It captures a TikTok that can be uploaded straight from my computer to TikTok, to Instagram Reels, to YouTube Shorts at the same time as I'm recording a video. No editing required. I can even go full screen, start talking to you guys, have a one-on-one conversation, and then instantly I can switch to the TikTok vision and you guys have an instant TikTok of you talking in high quality with a DSLR or a webcam. Again, you can go live and stream like this. It's crazy. I'll go ahead and link Harris Heller, Alpha Gaming, Senpai Gaming, whatever you want to call him. I'll link his video in the description. I just felt like this is such a big step forward for gamers, for streamers, for content creators, YouTubers, you name it. Anybody who uses OBS and anybody who likes to convert this type video into this, it's going to be a game changer. It makes me so happy. You can see the desktop below me and around me. This is what you'd see if I'm recording games, and I can instantly switch to my full screen face cam and it captures that video and it switches scenes with your main video. Like I can switch back to my PC and we're back on this. How cool is that? Check out the video in the description. Again, it's not affiliate. I don't know him personally, but I'm just so grateful for everything that he's doing for the community at the moment. It's an amazing thing to have, and I can't wait to see what these guys are working on in the future. Apparently they're working on more projects. They're going to be just as cool and as useful as this. So I'm hyped. I'm very excited. Okay, that wraps up today's video. I just figured I wanted to show you guys about it. Make sure you check out the video, install it for yourself. It's free, no charge, no cost. It's an amazing little plugin. I love your faces, you're amazing. Before I catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.